Hey guys, Vicky Schettini here. So, I have been getting abundance of people calling me saying, Vicky, I'm losing my shirt in the stock market and whatnot. With everything that's going on, if your money was in the stock market, yeah, not good, not good. This is one of the reasons I always say, get into real estate, do other investments. You always want to have different baskets. In real estate, to me, I feel like even, do markets crash? Of course they crash, but they come back up. And the way I do it, you cannot fail because I'm all about the security. If you are interested in financial security or just putting your money somewhere where it's secured, don't do it at the stock market. I'm going to put the link down below, and that way we can be able to talk.